Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to talk about how to use iMessage on your iPhone. So let's get started. So iMessage is actually like a messaging app like Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp, which we often use. It's like a chat medium that within the iPhone where you can chat with someone, and it's absolutely free and it's unlimited. You can send the message, you can send them photos and all those things. But the criteria is make sure when you're trying to send a message, both parties should be turned on the iMessage, right? So if you don't know how to turn on an iMessage, or if you wanted to turn on an iMessage, this is what we have to do. What you need to do is you have to go over here, tap on the settings. Now from here you have to scroll it down all the way down and tap on the apps. Now from here you have to go to the search. Now type here messages. Now you need to tap on the messages. And right now over here you can see there is an option called iMessage. Make sure that you turn on this. So when you text someone, that opposite person should also do the same. You should be turned on the iMessage. Then he will be receiving this as an iMessage, right? So make sure you should be turned on first. Now afterwards, what you need to do is you have to go to the message app over here. Now if you wanted to chat with a particular person over here, as you can see, which I usually frequently used to do, you can just tap over here like this. So this is iMessage where you can send them text or photos and all those things. So I'm just going to give you a demonstration like an example. So I'm just going to type a hi here to this particular person. And as you can see, the hi is being texted here and this is in the blue icon over here. So all these kind of things in the blue, this is an iMessage. So the opposite person received this as an iMessage to them. That is the reason it is in the blue color. But if you go over here at the top, over here as you can see, this is in the green over here, which says it's sent as an SMS. Then this person will be receiving this as a text message, not like an iMessage. So over here in my case, I have already set this up and this is hi. And I'm going to just send to this person over here like this. If I tap on this, he just received this one. Right now it says it delivered over here, which means it will give you all kind of instructions, whether the opposite person read your message, whether it's delivered to them, whether they all kind of things. If he read it, I'll be giving notifications like it has been seen on that particular date and that particular time. Right over here it says it is delivered, so the opposite person just received it. He might be busy or something, so he haven't read the message, but even though he received it, but even though it is in the blue color, which means it is just received them as an iMessage over here, right? So like I said, if you send them anything like like this, if it is in the green color, which means it's a text message, it's not an iMessage, right? So this is how we can do it. And if you wanted to delete it, you can just do like press and hold like this, just like the usual way. If you wanted to delete it, you can just delete it, and you can make all kind of things just like the usual way as it is, right? So these are the things when it comes to how iMessage, and absolutely free. And also keep in mind, this is only supported between the iPhone devices, not from an iPhone to an Android, but only between iPhone devices. And only the criteria is make sure that you turn on iMessage in a case. And this is how we can do it. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notification. That's it. Bye.